Hey, Eric with RegFox here again. This tutorial, I'm going to show you how to accept offline payments for your RegFox page. This is great for when you want registrants to send in a check or to wire you money or to do something in terms of paying for your event outside of the normal credit card processing workflow. So let me show you how to set that up. So we're going to go down here on our page builder. We're going to go down to the credit card section and we are going to hit the pencil icon and we are going to toggle on allow offline payment. And you can set this label to be whatever you want. So let's do an example. We'll say pay by check. And then it's going to have information here that you can paste in for instructions. So I'll paste in my little instructions here. It gives instructions for where to send in a check, who to make it payable to, and the memo. So with that, that now enables that payment option. And you can hide this or conditionally show it based on registration options and using actions if you want. I'll leave it available for all people here just for the example. And we're going to hit save and publish. And let me show you exactly how this looks. So I'm going to go through here and I'm going to complete the information here in a second, but now you'll see there's a pay by check option and we get our instructions here. So I'm going to now complete the information on the form. I'll show you how to now view the report and mark it received. Okay, so I have completed a registration detail for Dwight. He is paying for the corporate registration by check, and we'll hit submit. And here we go. He has submitted his registration that is in pending state until this $1,000 is marked complete. So we will now go into the registrant report and go look at him. So we're going to go exit back out of here, go back, go to our registrations, and here we see Dwight Schrute. He is there and it says pending offline payment. You also can view the list of pending final payment individuals by using that tab as well. And so then we're going to go ahead and hit view. And this is going to pull up Dwight's record. And we can go down here and look at the linked transactions and see that there is an offline payment that is due. So we're going to click the view on here on this promise to pay option. And then we're going to go up here and we're going to hit complete. And this is going to give us some details to confirm the transaction was received. So we can also void it if we want. We can complete it by credit card. If Dwight decides, hey, I want to give you a credit card to complete it, no problem. You can switch it that way. But on here, we're going to give it a reference label. We can add a confirmation message and also some admin notes. So we might want to say this is sent from check number 12345. We'll say, thank you for the check. It was received. And then admin notes, you can say check sent from Dunder Mifflin. And then once we mark it like this, we can complete the transaction. And so now Dwight is now completed. His registration is confirmed. If we go back into the roster up here, we see that now Dwight is now in a completed state. So that's it for offline payments. Again, use this however you like. Again, checks, wire transfers, any out-of-bound payments that are outside the normal credit card processing side, super helpful for large corporate expenses, maybe sponsorships and things like that. So a great feature here in RegFox. Hopefully that's helpful for you. Let me know if you have any other questions. Our team would be happy to help, and we'll see you on the next video.